10-minute security light has been blinking. Did one 10-minute set, 5-second wait, 10-minute set, 5-second wait, 10-minute set. This is the third set. Security light coming up on 10 minutes. Also, my engine light is on. Let's see here. Security light. On, off. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. That's just the radio. Runs. Hope it stays that way.